Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Secor. We're going to go with section 1-2, variables and expressions. Can you find this page in your notebook? We'll be doing 3 pages today. An algebraic expression contains at least one variable and at least one operation. Now let's define what variable is. A variable is a letter or a symbol used to represent an unknown value. I have 6 items here that I need to decide if they are an algebraic expression or if they are not an algebraic expression. The first one is 5.6 or 5 6/10. This is not an algebraic expression. There is no operation seen. The next one, x plus 5. Yes, we have a variable x, and we have an operation, plus, algebraic expression. The next one is 5d minus 6. That means 5 times d minus 6. So we have 2 operations here, and we have a variable d. The next one is 5 parentheses 6. This is a way to write times, 5 times 6. But it's not algebraic because there is no variable involved here. 4mn. mn. 2 variables, and we know there is an operation when we write them next to each other. It is times, so it's 4 times m times n. And the last one, 5 plus 6. We have the operation, but we don't have a variable, so we're going to have to say not an algebraic expression. The next page. Now we're going to try to take verbal phrases and write them into algebraic expressions. Number 12. 3 times as many balloons. Okay, we need a variable. We need a variable for balloons. Let's call it B. We want 3 times as many balloons. So we'll write a 3 in front of the B, meaning 3 times balloons, the number of balloons. Let's circle our answer. Number 13. 24 pieces of candy divided by or among some students. Let's write it as a fraction. This means division. 24 divided by the number of students. 24 over n. We'll circle our answer. Number 14. The number of people increased by 13. Increased. The operation for increased would be plus the number of people plus 13. Circle our answer. Number 15, 16, and 17. A little trickier here. 15. The number of inches in any number of feet. Well, I do know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So if I have an amount of feet, we'll just call it F, and we divide it by 12, this will tell me how many feet there are. Oh, no, Mrs. Secor. Erase that. Boom. The number of inches in any number of feet. Because there are 12 inches in a foot, oops, then if I take 12 times how many feet, the number of feet I have, that'll tell me how many inches there are. I'm sorry. 12 times the number of feet. Oops. Number 16. 4 more than the number of weeks in a group of days. Oh, we did this one kind of like the other day, didn't we? To get the number of weeks, well, we take the number of days and divide it by 7. That'll tell me how many weeks, right? The number of days divided by 7. Okay, and then there's another operation here besides the division. 4 more than that. 4 more. So I'd have to say plus 4. D divided by 7 plus 4. Number 17. 4 less than the amount of cents and a number of dimes. Well, I know there's 10 cents in one dime, so we'll let D equal the number of dimes, and then 10 times D will tell me how much cents I have with my number of dimes. And then it says another operation, 4 less than that. Can you read that okay? I'll change that 10. Did it again. Okay. D is the number of dimes, and we have 10 cents in a dime, 10D, but we want 4 less than that amount. I'm having trouble with my pen. Those are challenging, and we'll have to practice those some more. And I'm not just talking about the writing. And the last page for today is we're going to take some expressions. We're going to use order of operations, but we're also going to use what we call substitution. Now here it says evaluate each expression if r equals 6 and s equals 2. So first of all, we're going to go in and substitute our variables s and r. 8 times, now it did say that s is 2, minus, and r is 6, so we substitute in. Now we use our order of operations. Let's see, we multiply first, so it'd be 16 minus 2 times 6. 16, now order of operations says we have to multiply next, so it'll be 12. 2 times 6 is 12, and then 16 minus 12, our answer would be 4. We'll circle the answer there. Okay, the next one has some grouping symbols, parentheses. R is 6, S is 2, substitute in. Using our order of operations, in the parentheses, 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 times 8 is 24. Circle our answer. The next one, 5RS. That means 5 times 6 times 2, and this is all over the number 4. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 times 2, we're continuing doing over the 4, so we'll get 60. And then 60 divided by 4 is 15. Circle our answer. And thank you.